how to change region on Lyft drivers app. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can change your country on Lyft app. So as you can see that this is my Lyft application and this is my account. Now as soon as I open my account, it is asking me to provide the location access. So if I provide the location access to this application, it will automatically use my region and I won't be able to change my region. So in this situation, what you can do is you can simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner, and then you need to go to settings. In the settings, you need to scroll down and here you will have to select the option of help. Now once you have found help, you just have to simply go to the help section and here you can start talking with the Lyft customer support team. For that, you just have to tap on the report button in the bottom, and here you just have to select any of the options. After that, you just have to start talking with the Lyft customer support team in order to change your region. Other than this, there is no option for you to change your region in this app. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.